The way to make huge changes, huge shifts, are to start with small changes and small shifts. It only takes 60 seconds, 1 minute to change your life, change your business, change your habits. You have to make the decision, you have to get up and go. So if there's something you want to achieve in your business, and maybe you're thinking, oh, that's too hard, or I can't do that, or I don't know how to get started, just start small. Start with one little step. Learn what it is you need to do. Find somebody that's doing what it is that you want to do, that is where you want to be. Study them, learn from them, watch what they're doing, and then take small steps. You don't have to start with everything. It's not going to all happen overnight or happen at once. I've been in business as an entrepreneur for 23 years, and I've learned every day is a new day. Every opportunity is a new opportunity. The more you learn, the more you realize there is to learn. The more you know, the more you realize you don't know. And that's what's exciting. You can always learn more, you can always go deeper, you can always improve. So you want to seek to find the opportunities in every situation. Just get started. Don't think of the end result and how you're going to get there. Just get started, set that goal, set that vision, and then just get started with small little moves every day. If you want to start exercising, let's say you want to run a marathon and you haven't run in years or never run in your life, just go outside and walk around the block. Take that 1 minute decision to get up, go outside, walk around the block, and then once you get going, once you get the momentum, once you start feeling the results of taking action, getting a win, and getting out there, everything else starts to just grow inside of you, and it creates momentum in you to keep going and keep going. If you want to get to the gym and you want to get there regularly, just make the decision. And all it takes is 1 minute to get up, get out the door and head to the gym, and just think, I'm just going to go and start, maybe warm up and stretch a little bit. Then once you get in there and you start messing around, then you get more momentum, you start feeling better, and you start doing more. Every day is a new opportunity. Every step you take is one step closer to where you want to be. Momentum breeds momentum. Success breeds success. Action breeds more action. So start your day with a win. When that alarm goes off, don't hit snooze, don't go back to sleep. Wake up and make up your mind. I'm going to get out there and do whatever it is you want to do. If it's a diet that you want to try to maintain, get a win. Start the day with a win. Eat the right thing right off the bat, and then continue that through the rest of the day. One meal at a time, one day at a time. If you want to get to the gym, start with making the decision to just go. Don't worry about what you're going to do when you get there. Just go. If you want to get outside and get exercise, make the decision just to get out there and go. Start that day with a win. If you want to grow your business and start making offers on properties, don't think about the end and the big game and what it's going to take to get that deal done. Just start looking at properties and analyzing and making offers and talking to people and learning your market and doing the things it takes. If you want to start a business, start with the research. Research your market, your customers, your demographics, the product that people are looking for. What's a problem that you can solve? So start small with those things. Every day, start with a win. Just make a decision. It takes 1 minute, 60 seconds to change your life, change your business. It just takes that decision, that commitment that you're going to start. Once you get started, you start seeing results, you start getting those wins, that builds momentum, and next thing you know, you're at your destination. That's how it works. It starts with an idea, it starts with faith in it, then you implement it, and that's how success proceeds. Think it, speak it, do it, live it.